Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win clutch situation in COD Warzone Mobile. To do that, stay calm and focus. In clutch situation, it's easy to let nerves take over. Stay calm and focus on the task at hand. Take deep breaths to control your heart rate and keep a clear mind. Know your surroundings. Understand the map layout and where opponents might be hiding is crucial. Use sound cues and the minimap to locate enemies and plan your next move accordingly. Always prioritize cover to minimize your exposure to enemy fire. Peek around corners and use objects like walls, crates, and buildings to shield yourself from bullets. Your choice of weapons and equipment can make or break a clutch situation. Option for versatile weapons that excel at various ranges and carry tactical equipment like a flashbang or smoke grenades to gain a tactical advantage. If you're playing with a team, communicate with them. Keep your teammates informed about your enemy position, your intention, and any support you may need. Clear and concise communication can turn the tide of battle in your favor. Before making any moves, assess the situation carefully. Consider factors such as the number of enemies, their positioning, available cover, and your remaining resources. Every player has their own strengths and weaknesses. Play through your strengths, whether it's sharpshooting from a distance, flanking enemies, or engaging in close quarter combats. Constant movement can make you a difficult target to get hit. Strafe, jump, and crouch to throw off your opponent's aim while maintaining your own accuracy. Ammo, armor plates, and equipment are limited resources. Use them wisely and conserve them whenever possible. Scavenge fallen enemies for supplies if needed, but be cautious of exposing yourself in the process. Clutch situation can quickly evolve, requiring you to adapt your tactics on the fly. Be flexible in your approach and be prepared to switch strategies based on the changing circumstances. The more you practice clutch scenarios, the better you'll become at handling them. And that's how to win clutch situations in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.